morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please sit down. It is by me, so I'm going to solve this problem. So first, we will plan this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want all of you to give a suggestion of what are we gonna do or what to do. So I will give you a time of 2 hours to make a plan, and that can help to our company about this problem. So you can start now, and I will ask you to continue our meeting. Okay, good afternoon.
This is our plan, ma'am. What we are going to do is to organize it step by step, ma'am.
So first, ma'am, let's start with the product and also the quality. Okay, nice idea. So, Miss Rachel, I assign you the improvement of our product. Miss Regalian, I assign you also the quality of our product that will be better than before. And also, Miss Francisco, I assign you the improvement function of our tablet and also make a plan to avoid problems. And now, let me ask all of you. So, Miss Francisco, how will you improve your work?
I advocate for the right tools of or technology and also plan your workdays and tasks.
Okay, thank you. How about you, Miss Miguel?
I'm responsible for receiving, organizing, and stocking merchandise in the store.
I got you. Okay, any idea about you, Miss Master?
Supervising employees, ma'am, pushing them to perform better and also leading them.
Okay, thank you, Miss Michelle. And now, everyone don't be afraid to face this problem. Just stay positive and always trust yourself. I'm your CEO and I encourage all of you to focus on your goals and make better work than child. I thought I'm CEO na po. Your CEO and I encourage all of you to focus on your goal and make better work than assigned to you. So, Miss Francisco, update me and now and then and also the result of it.
Okay, ma'am, I will update you.
So thank you everyone. Just do your best to solve this problem